In this video, I'm going to show you how you can become a Doordash delivery driver or dasher in Canada. So what we want to do is load up our web browser on the phone and just Google search for Become Dasher Canada. We want to click on the first link that pops up here, Become a Dasher, Deliver with Doordash. This is the link that we want to select. And here, the first step or the first thing that it's going to ask us for is going to be our postal code, so it determines our location. So write your postal code right here and select next. Once you begin typing out your postal code, you will see these options pop up here for the address and just click on next. Alright, the next step will be giving them our email address. So I will just do that. And we are again going to proceed with the next button. Okay, so click on next, and then the last step will be asking us for the mobile phone number. So it's going to be automatically selected for Canada, and we have to write the rest of our phone number here. So once we write the rest of our phone number, you will receive a message asking to verify. Now you will verify, and after we have verified the phone number, it will have created our Canadian Doordash Dasher account. And once the account has been created, we can download the Dasher app directly from the App Store or the Google Play Store, and you will simply log in. So once you click on login, it's going to verify that you are human, and then it is going to essentially put you on the waitlist for Canadian Doordash. If you get accepted, you will get a message, and that's basically how we begin DoorDashing in Canada. So I hope this was helpful. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.